Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Math Talks. Here we are going to discuss the topic is real numbers. Exercise 1.2 first question. Prove that root 5 is irrational. So first we consider root 5 is, let us assume that rational number. What is rational number? Which is in the form of p by q form. Q not equal to 0. P and q are the integers. P and q are co-primes. Okay, here first let us assume that root 5 is rational. Rational means what? Root 5 is equal to a by b, which is in the form of p by q. Here b not equal to 0, a comma b belongs to integers a and b. A and b are co-primes. Co-primes means A and B have no common factors other than 1. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 5 whole square is equal to A by B whole square. So that is equal to square root cancel. 5 is equal to A square B square. So that is equal to 5b square is equal to a square. So this is take equation 1. Here what you conclude equation 1? Here 5 divides a square, then 5 divides a. How it is said? Theorem 1.2. From theorem 1.2. Next, let a is equal to 5c. Substitute a is equal to 5c in equation 1. So then 5b square is equal to, equation 1 can be written as 5b square is equal to, in place of a, right, a is equal to 5c. 5c whole square, that is equal to 5b square is equal to 25c square. Then that is equal to b square is equal to 5 transpose to this side, 25c square by 5. 5 ones, 5 5s. So that is equal to 5c square. So b square is equal to 5c square. Take this is equation 2. What you conclude equation 2? Here 5 divides b square. 5 divides b square, then 5 divides b. How it is said? Theorem. From theorem 1.2. Okay. See here, what you conclude 1 and 2? 5 is a, 5 divides b square, here 5 divides a square. So therefore 5 is a common factor of a and b. A and b. So here what you take here, assume that root 5 is a by b, means root 5 is rational number. Rational number, what it is said? A and b are co-primes. Co-primes means have no common factor other than 1. But here a and b are the 5 is a common factor. So, but our contradiction fact is, our assumption is incorrect. So then we conclude that root 5 is rational. Not rational, it is a irrational. but our contradict contradict fact that A and B have no common factor other than one other than one. So root root our assumption here our assumption is incorrect. Therefore, we conclude that root 5 is irrational. So hence proved. Okay. So this is about the first question. Next question. Prove that second one. Prove that 3 plus root 2 root 5 is irrational. So how it is prove that irrational? First we consider the this one rational number. Let us assume that let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational. Rational means what? 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b. B not equal to 0. A comma b belongs to integers a and b. A and b are O primes. Okay. Next, to simplify this one, here 3 transpose to this side. 2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. And also 2 also transpose to this side. Root 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into a by b minus 3. Here a and b are the integers and co-primes. And what it is said, it is a rational number. Then only root 5 is rational number. So, but our contradiction fact that root 5 is irrational. So, we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Here, a and b are the integers. Integers. So, 1 by 2 of a by b minus 3 is a rational. And so, root 5 is rational. But our contradict fact root 5 is irrational. Therefore, our assumption is incorrect. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Hence, proved. Okay. So this is about the second question. Next question. Third Roman. In third Roman, first one, prove that 1 by root 2 is a irrational. So here also same procedure. Let us assume that 1 by root 2 is a rational. 1 by root 2 is a rational. What it is rational here? Rational means 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b form. P by q form. So here b not equal to 0. A comma b belongs to integers. A and b are co-primes. Okay. So then simplify this one. 1 by root 2. Here root 2, here rationalize the root 2 means 1 by root 2 into both numerator and denominator you have to multiply it with root 2. So that is equal to a by b. What will happen here? 1 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. We will get 2. That is equal to a by b. So that is equal to, take cross multiplication. So root 2 is equal to 2a by b. Okay. Here a and b, a and b are the integers. And 2a, so 2a by b is a rational number. Rational number. Okay. So therefore here root 2 and so root 2 is a rational, but our contradict fact that root 2 is a irrational. Root 2 is irrational. So our assumption, therefore our assumption is incorrect. Incorrect. So we conclude that 1 by root 2 is irrational. So therefore hence proved. Okay. So this is about the third Roman first question. Next question. Third Roman second one. Prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. First let us assume that 7 root 5 is rational. Let us assume that 7 root 5 is a rational. Rational means what? 7 root 5 is equal to a by b. So here b not equal to 0. A comma b belongs to z means integers. A and b are co-primes. Co-primes. So then simplify this one. 7 transpose to this side. Root 5 is equal to a by 7b. Okay. Equation 1. So from 1, A and B are integers. Integers. So 7 A by 7B is a rational number. So root 5 is a rational, but our contradict fact that root 5 is a irrational. Root 5 is irrational. So therefore our assumption is incorrect. So therefore, so we conclude that 7 root 5 is irrational. Hence proved. Okay. So this is about the third Roman second question. Next question. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. See here. First, let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So rational numbers means what? 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, means which is the form of p by q. So here a by b not equal to 0, a comma b belongs to z, a and b are the co-primes. Okay, see, simplify this one. 6 transpose to the side, root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6. Take this equation 1. So from 1, a and b, are the integers. So a by b minus 6 is a rational number. Is a rational, and so root 2 is a rational. Root 2 is a rational. But our contradiction fact, root 2 is irrational. So therefore our assumption is incorrect. Okay. So therefore we conclude that 6 plus root 2 is a irrational. Okay. Hence proved. So this is about the third question. So if you like my video, Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.